So this is still 3D geometry, but now we're going to be doing truncations. What's the meaning of a truncation? A truncation is when we have a prism and part of it is cut off. Literally like this, look. So this is the front view of my prism, a closed front view. Okay? But part of it is cut off. This is the line of cut. This is a truncated prism. If I were doing a normal prism, it would be this full shape. But a truncated prism has a cut in the prism where I'm going to be literally cutting the prism from the cuts of the prism. So now what's left of this prism is this part here, 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 and here. Okay? So that's what truncation is. A prism that has been cut. And now we're gonna draw the end view of the cut prism, which will appear like this. Now I'll show you all the steps and the plan. And then we're gonna be drawing what we call a true shape of cut to see the proper dimensions and proper image of the cut and the development in terms of the cut. Okay? So let's say, for example, in the beginning I had this prism. This prism is not truncated, right? There's no cut. But after it has been cut, it appears now like this. It has been cut. So it's been cut from the front view. So from the front view, it appears like one straight line, the cut. One straight slanted line. But from here, when I'm looking at it from here, I can see the cut in a better form, in a better, more realistic form. Okay? But when I'm looking at the front view from here, I only see this line in horizontal form. Okay? Not in horizontal, in slanted form. Okay? And when I'm looking at it like here, from here, I see it like this. The cut would appear here. Okay? Now, this is another form to show you the cut, the truncation. And here, on the plan, we'd have a line going down. Look, the first part of the cut. So we'd have a line going down from here to show us the first part of the cut. And the second part is part of this line. Okay? Now in another sheet, I'll show you exactly how to get the points. I'll show you everything, okay? But for now, I just want to show you what it includes, what the truncated prism includes. So, a truncated front view, this will be given, or measurements will be given to you, and you'll have to draw it. But you will be given where to draw the cut. Either you'll be given it like this, just an image of the cut, you'll be given the full front view and the plan, or you'll be given dimensions to create it. Okay? And then you create the end view, find the points. Now I'll show you how in the next video. And we'll see how to get this cut. But this cut is very easy because we just drop down from here. From where the cut hit the top of the line. And we dropped it down. So where the cut hit the top of the line, the top horizontal line, and we dropped it down. And we see where it lands on the plan. And that line we make bold. Okay? Now, by the way, here you have to write here the cut. Okay? That is the cut. Now, obviously, you do it through lettering. Now, this is the true shape of the cut. Okay? So these are the exact measurements of the cut. This is literally the exact shape of the cut. So here you write true shape of cut. Okay? Here you write true shape of cut. I'll show you how to get this now in the next video. And here you have the development. So here write development, and this is the development for this truncated prism. Okay? So now, how to get these dimensions, how to get these images, this construction work, I'm going to show you in the next video.